Welcome to Sable Beach here, checking out all of these excellent waterfront activities. We got some bathers, some swimmers. Oh, check it out. Just spotted something very special. Come have a look. It's the paddle adventurer in her native habitat. And look at that. It looks like she's practicing some of her maneuvers. Very rare sighting. Let's go have a chat with her. I cannot believe how lucky we are. Been coming here for years and I've never spotted her before. Paddle adventurer!
What's up?
What's up? We were just passing by and we saw you out there. It looked like you were practicing. What were you up to? Tell us.
I was having the best time out of the water, practicing different balancing on my board, getting comfortable, and most importantly, having fun.
Oh, that sounds amazing. Do you do this regularly?
Yeah, all the time. It's one of my favorite things to do is get out in the water, play around with the board, you gain confidence, skills, and have an awesome time.
Oh, sounds amazing.
You want to get suited up and go out and try?
I would love to. That would be amazing.
Let's do it!
Testing your balance on a paddleboard is important and fun. It will help you gain confidence in your ability and improve your overall paddleboarding experience. Moving your feet around the board will help you figure out where the balancing points are on your board. Remember that the center of the board is the widest and most stable part of your board and is typically where the handle is. Stay loose and start by playing with the balance by rocking the board side to side. Try and keep your center of gravity over the board and use your paddle to brace. Test to see how far on the edge you can go. Do what feels safe but gets you out of your comfort zone. It's okay to fall. That's part of the fun and the progress. Be sure you practice how to get back up on your paddleboard. Once you feel comfortable, try to move around your board by cross-stepping or shuffling your feet. Move to the tail or nose of the board. This will help you better understand the center line of the board and how the board reacts to your weight on different parts of the board. Once at the tail or nose of the board, further test your balance by paddling and turning the board. The higher the nose or tail, the trickier it can be. Challenge yourself to see how far you can go. Try standing up on your board without using your hands, or better yet, jumping from kneeling to standing. As you can see, I can't do that one, but it's fun to try. A few tips. It helps to keep your paddle in the water and use it to brace when you feel like you're falling.
Look at beaver tail.
Stay relaxed and keep your knees bent. Keep your eyes on the horizon as much as possible. If you start to look down, your body will likely move to where you're looking. Keep your core engaged. It's all about learning the balancing points and having fun. Get out there on a calm, warm day and play around. Start with what feels good for you and progress to rougher water, other paddling moves, or swap boards with a friend.
Wow, that was amazing. I can't believe I spotted you and you invited me out. I feel like my balancing skills have improved immensely.
Thanks for joining on the adventure!
Yeah!